want something, especially if it's a woman they want, they can go to any length to make sure they achieve their goal.
I don't know how to walk up to her and tell her how I feel about her.
That which you must do, do it now.
Have I not explained the reason for the question to you?
Go settle in your house. Now this is the answer to your question.
I will simply state the obvious. I don't want to get married anymore. I'll just adopt 1 or 2 babies and take care of them and forget everything about men.
Her birthday is coming up in a few weeks' time. And I'm planning to give her a surprise that day.
I have tried in this my life to impress men.
I've been needing money for my upkeep.
Money. I have provided everything for them. For some, I even provide shelter. But they end up running around with other girls. I'm tired.
If you don't give me a male child, those your girls will never go back to school again.
But I know she has 3 adopted kids.
Adopted kids? Yeah.
Cynthia will always be your sister, never cease to be. Pushing her away is pushing her into more crime.
To make the situation worse, do you know he traveled on a 6-month journey, leaving us with just 20,000 naira?
Are you serious?
So is he still disturbing you?
No, the principles worked. He is now back to his family.
John, this is exactly the problem I have with you. Is either Simi is overreacting or she's being unnecessarily mean. Even now that I'm about to settle with John, if he tries any nonsense with me, if he tries any nonsense at all, I will show him the strength of a woman in me.
I want to ask you to marry me.
I disagree with you on this one. You don't have to threaten your man to prove a point. Men are full of ego and pride.
I don't be turned down my proposal, okay? Just get my things ready. If I stay here, I will not concentrate.
I don't even know why I tell you things I should keep to myself.
It's not as if I was not quarreling with my husband in those days when he was alive. We did quarrel. Depends, I face it squarely with prayers.